I'm actually sharing this from experience. If you're constantly tired, you find it difficult to wake up in the morning, you drag yourself through your day, and you think you're stressed out. No, you're not. Your gut is stressed out. I have my gut under control now, and I am fitting in more tasks into my day than I used to, and yet I have more energy than before. In this video, I shared 5 nutrition tips to fix your gut health. It took me less than a month to experience changes to my gut health, and if you follow the recommendations in this video, your energy and your mood will skyrocket within few weeks. When you think of your gut health, you may just think about digestive health issues such as bloating, constipation, excess gas, but it goes deeper than that. When there is an imbalance between the healthy bacteria and the harmful bacteria in your gut, and harmful bacteria for any reason overpowers it, you have issues with your digestive health as well as your physical health, causing issues with your immune system, mood disorders, forgetfulness, anxiety, fatigue, IBS, sleep disturbances, as well as food cravings. I made a detailed video on signs of an unhealthy gut you may be missing, and I will link it down below so you can check it out. So let's start with the nutrition tips. The first is to eat a varied plant diet. For meat lovers, this does not mean that you cannot eat it. It simply means that you should eat mostly plant foods. So plants have essential nutrients that you cannot get from any other food. They have vitamins, they have minerals, they have phytochemicals and antioxidants, and they also encourage the growth of beneficial bacteria. The recommendation is to eat at least 30 different plants in a week. This doesn't have to be complicated. When we say plants here, we mean fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes such as beans and lentils, nuts and seeds, herbs. When you break it down a little bit further, it simply means you should aim to have 5 to 6 servings of plant foods in a day. When you've had your 2 to 3 fruits, it becomes easier to fit in the remaining plant food recommended. The second tip is to aim to get more fiber into your diet. When you eat fiber rich foods, fiber is not digested. So what happens in your colon is that the beneficial bacteria feeds on it, and so it promotes the growth of the good bacteria, which is what we want. So always look out for ways to eat more fiber rich foods. Aside fruits and vegetables, you can go for high fiber alternatives such as brown rice instead of white rice, whole grains, nuts and seeds. Eat more whole fruits rather than drink fruit juice. The third tip is to choose colored foods over foods with less color. So the color we find in foods, especially fruits, come down to the natural compounds found in plants called phytochemicals, and more specifically the polyphenols. So polyphenols are like fuel to the good bacteria in your gut. So fruits like orange colored sweet potatoes, tomatoes, I would actually choose red apple over green apple because red apple has higher polyphenol content. Berries is also high in polyphenols. In fact, the Hadza people, who are renowned for having the best gut health in the world, are berry pickers, and they eat loads of berries while hunting. That also means that we should eat plants with their skins as much as possible. The fourth tip is to eat at least 2 oily fish in a week. So oily fish contains omega-3 fatty acids. Our microbiome loves omega-3 fatty acids. This is because they increase the gut bacteria diversity. They also improve the composition of the gut microbiomes. They also produce anti-inflammatory substances that helps with conditions such as IBS. So oily fish like salmon, mackerel and sardines are great for you. For vegetarians, we have nuts like almonds, macadamia nuts, hazelnuts, pecans. They are also good sources of omega-3 fatty acid. We also find omega-3 fatty acids in seeds like flax seeds and in oils like canola oil, flaxseed oil. They are also high in omega-3. The fifth tip is to eat foods that are alive. I mean fermented foods with live bacteria in them. Foods like your yogurt, your kimchi, your kombucha, your kefir. In fact, kefir is a super yogurt. It contains more than 10, sometimes up to 20 different types of good bacteria in them. Sauerkraut is another great option for you as well. And finally, here's a bonus tip, and that is to hydrate. Putting this as a bonus does not decrease its importance. Hydration for me made a big difference. Hydration improves your digestion, and a hydrated gut is a healthy gut. Your body pulls fluids to the digestive system to help move food as it travels through your stomach, your intestines, and your colon. But if there isn't enough fluid to keep the food moving, the food gets stuck or digestion is slowed down, which causes constipation, bloating, and gas. Water also produces mucus that protects the digestive tract. I can go on and on about fluids. Just drink up. It doesn't matter if it is hot or cold. Of course, for me, water is the best drink, but you can hydrate with fermented drinks like kombucha and kefir, green tea, and ginger tea. So, which of these nutrition principles for gut health have you been missing or are you struggling with? Are there other things you have done to reset your gut health? Please share with us in the comments below. I will be there as well. Before I forget, while you're doing these things, you also need to be careful not to keep feeding your gut with bad fuel. Please watch this video on 5 foods that are harming your gut that you shouldn't be eating anymore. And I do appreciate your taking the time to watch my video. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. And I will see you in another video. Thank you.